Aging skin is often treated as a cosmetic concern, but science shows it's also a health issue. The same damage that causes wrinkles can weaken skin elasticity and raise cancer risk. In this video, we'll look at what modern research actually says about anti-aging skincare. Not trends, not marketing, just evidence from scientific studies. You'll learn how skin ages, what speeds it up, and which treatments truly protect skin over time, often in ways that may surprise you. If you want healthier habits, stick around. This will be science-based. Skin aging happens in two main ways: natural aging and environmental aging. Natural aging is slow and unavoidable. As we get older, skin cells divide more slowly. Collagen, the protein that gives skin its strength, declines by about 1% per year. Blood flow decreases, oil production drops. Over time, skin becomes thinner, drier, and more fragile. Environmental aging is different. It is largely preventable. Sunlight is the single biggest driver. Research consistently shows that up to 80% of skin aging comes from long-term sun exposure, not from age alone. Ultraviolet light damages DNA inside skin cells. It also breaks down collagen and elastin, the fibers that keep skin firm and elastic. This damage appears as wrinkles, loss of skin texture, dark spots, and uneven tone. But the effects go deeper than appearance. UV damage causes inflammation. That inflammation accelerates skin aging and increases the risk of abnormal cell growth. In other words, sun-kissed skin and unhealthy skin are often the same thing. Other factors like pollution, smoking, and poor sleep also speed up aging. They increase harmful molecules called free radicals and reactive oxygen species, which damage proteins and fats. Here's a surprising finding from recent research. Skin remembers damage. Even after sun exposure stops, previously damaged skin can behave abnormal for years. The good news is that skin also has strong repair systems. With the right protection and signals, many aging pathways can be slowed and some partially reversed. So what does the science say actually helps? Let's start with topical treatments. Daily sunscreen. Sunscreen is a well-studied product that has been on the market for decades to protect against not only sunburns, but also skin aging. It protects DNA, collagen, natural antioxidant compounds, and immune cells in your skin. Large clinical trials show that people who use sunscreen daily develop fewer wrinkles, less sagging, and more even skin tone. In one long-term study, daily sunscreen users showed less skin aging after 4 years compared with people who use sunscreen only occasionally. A surprising fact, sunscreen doesn't just slow aging, it may also visibly reverse existing signs of aging, such as hyperpigmentation and skin texture. The best choice is a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UVA and UVB rays, with an SPF of 30 or higher for darker complexions and an SPF of 50 or higher for lighter complexions. Mineral sunscreens, chemical sunscreens, or combinations of both are effective when used correctly. What matters most is daily use and applying enough to fully protect the skin, even if that means a visible white cast. This is important to point out as most people apply only about half the amount of sunscreen needed for full protection. Topical retinoids. Retinoids have been used to treat acne and some related skin aging. One form, retinoid, has been shown for over 10 years in many clinical studies to improve signs of photoaging. Retinoids comprise of vitamin A and its derivatives. Retinoids increase collagen production, speed up cell turnover, improve skin thickness, and reduce uneven pigmentation. Decades of high-quality clinical trials show they reduce wrinkles and improve skin hyperpigmentation. Results take time. Improvements can show up after a month, with benefits building over years. Among all retinoids, retinoid has the strongest evidence for anti-aging benefits. Over-the-counter retinol is weaker, which is why it usually causes less irritation. Some studies suggest that retinol, when used at the right strength, can produce results similar to tretinoin. However, these findings should be viewed cautiously. Retinol is very unstable and breaks down easily when exposed to light, air, or heat. As a result, many cosmetic retinol products may only stay effective for a few months. New technologies aim to improve retinol stability, but strong clinical evidence showing anti-aging benefits is still limited. So what about side effects? The most common side effect of retinoid usage is skin irritation, especially when first starting. To reduce this, it's best to begin with a lower strength and increase slowly over time. Regular use of a moisturizer helps keep skin hydrated and makes retinoid easier to tolerate. Long-term research shows that topical retinoids like retinoin are not linked to whole body side effects because only very small amounts are absorbed through the skin. While oral retinoids are known to cause birth defects, topical retinoids have not shown this risk in real-world use. Even so, experts recommend avoiding all types of retinoids during pregnancy or when trying to conceive, as a precaution. Moisturizers. Dry skin becomes much more common as we age, affecting about half of adults over 65. It happens when the outer layer of the skin loses moisture and its protective barrier weakens. Dry skin can also occur during certain treatments, such as retinoid use, which can temporarily increase skin sensitivity and make the barrier more vulnerable to damage. This is where moisturizers become especially important. While they may seem basic, moisturizers play a critical role in keeping the skin barrier healthy. Used correctly, they do more than relieve dryness. They help repair the skin's natural defenses, protecting it from everyday irritants. While moisturizers can soften skin and reduce the look of fine lines, their most important role is protecting the skin barrier, which is just as essential as any anti-aging ingredient. Vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an important role in anti-aging skincare. It works mainly as an antioxidant, helping neutralize damage caused by sunlight and pollution. Research also shows that vitamin C supports collagen production, helps maintain skin elasticity, and improves uneven skin tone. One important detail is that the most effective form of vitamin C, called L-ascorbic acid, is unstable and does not absorb easily into the skin. Because of this, studies suggest choosing formulations with the right concentration, pH, and supporting ingredients that help keep vitamin C stable and improve absorption. While topical products form the foundation, some changes require deeper intervention. That's where laser treatments may come in. Laser treatments work by creating controlled, precise injuries in the skin. While this may sound intense, these treatments are carefully designed and can lead to noticeable anti-aging benefits. Ablative lasers such as CO2 and iriag lasers remove layers of skin to reduce signs of aging. Studies show they can significantly improve facial wrinkles. Among the options, iriag lasers tend to cause less discomfort and allow for faster healing, compared to CO2 lasers. Recovery usually involves discomfort for about 2 weeks. To reduce downtime and risk, non-ablative lasers were developed. These lasers heat deeper layers of the skin without damaging the skin surface, helping improve wrinkles and sun damage with shorter recovery times. Vascular lasers are used to reduce redness in visible blood vessels. They target the red color in blood vessels, causing the blood vessels to clot and slowly fade away as the body clears them naturally. Q-switched and pico lasers are commonly used for removing tattoos, dark spots, and acne scars. Picosecond lasers use extremely fast pulses of light that create tiny hot steam bubbles in the skin. Inside these bubbles, pigment is broken apart, while the surrounding skin remains largely unaffected. Fractional picosecond lasers can improve sun damage, reduce the size of enlarged pores, even skin tone, improve wrinkles, and improve certain scars. Laser treatments can also be non-fractional or fractional. Fractional treatments essentially skip treatment areas. Treatment is applied in evenly spaced zones on the skin surface, targeting only a fraction of the skin. This new approach was designed in 2004 to deliver results closer to powerful ablative lasers, but with much shorter recovery time and fewer side effects. Because laser treatments vary in strength and purpose, it's important to talk with a trained professional to determine which option is right for you and to ensure the safest and best results possible. When it comes to skin aging, a simple routine is all you need. First, consistency matters more than product count. Using a few proven products every day is far more effective than rotating many treatments occasionally. Skin responds to steady signals over time. Second, protect skin every morning. Daily sunscreen is an important topical habit for slowing aging. It protects collagen and DNA and works best when applied generously. Third, use active treatments correctly. Retinoids work best at night and in small amounts. Avoid contact with the eyes, mouth, and nose creases. Vitamin C is most helpful after sun exposure because sunlight lowers the natural vitamin C levels in your skin. Fourth, support the skin barrier. Daily moisturizer protects your skin barrier and improves tolerance to anti-aging treatments. Nourished, protected, and well-hydrated skin ages best. Skin aging is driven far more by environment than by time alone. The strongest evidence supports a simple approach: daily sunscreen, retinoids, moisturizers, vitamin C, and selective medical treatments when appropriate. These don't just improve appearance, they protect DNA, collagen, and skin health. Most anti-aging success comes from prevention, consistency, and respecting how skin repairs itself. When science replaces hype, skincare becomes simpler and easier to follow. With the right basics used consistently, skin can stay healthier, younger, and more resilient for years to come. Class dismissed. After watching this, what's one small change you might try this week? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more research-backed health tips and check out our website to see what videos are coming up next.